The T-7A Redhawk is the latest pilot training system for the upcoming generation of U.S. Air Force fighter and bomber pilots. In honor of the Tuskegee Airmen's legacy, the production aircraft features the iconic red tail of the first African-American fighter squadron of World War II. The name of the aircraft is derived from the Curtiss P-40 Warhawk, which was one of the planes used by the 99th Fighter Squadron of the Army Air Forces. Designed using an efficient digital thread, the T-7A embodies the top digital Century Series strategy. Thanks to virtual testing, the integration of new concepts and capabilities has been faster and more affordable than ever before. The Redhawk will soon replace its predecessor, the T-38, which has been a reliable training aircraft for Air Education and Training Command. According to Program Manager Colonel Casell, the T-7A Redhawk is a game-changer. In 2003, the U.S. Air Force's Air Education and Training Command laid out the requirements to replace the aging Northrop T-38 Talon. The initial plan was to introduce the replacement trainer by 2020. However, in 2008, an unfortunate accident caused by fatigue failure forced the Air Service to advance the target date of Initial Operational Capability, IOC, by 3 years. Despite this, a contract award was not expected until the fiscal year 2016, causing further delays in the introduction of the new trainer, ultimately pushing IOC to 2020. Eventually, the shrinking budgets allocated to higher priority projects resulted in the TX program delivery being pushed back to the fiscal year 2023 or even 2024. Despite the delays, the trainer remained a top priority within the service. In collaboration with the Swedish aerospace company Saab, Boeing submitted a single-engine advanced check trainer to the competition. The aircraft boasted a twin-tail tandem seating retractable tricycle landing gear and a General Electric F404 afterburning turbofan engine. However, the Boeing TX was not revealed to the public until September of 2016, and it wasn't until 3 months later that the first TX made its maiden flight. By September of 2018, Boeing's design was officially selected as the replacement for the T-38 Talon, and the Air Force announced its plan to acquire 351 aircraft, 46 simulators, maintenance training, and support, all for a total cost of $9.2 billion. The Air Education and Training Command's aging fleet is all set to be replaced by a new aircraft along with the simulators and associated ground equipment. The Swedish company, Saab, announced in May 2019 that it would open a manufacturing facility in Indiana and partner with Purdue University to construct the aircraft. The aircraft, named T-7A Redhawk, was officially named by the Air Force in September 2019, paying tribute to the Tuskegee Airmen, and the tails were painted red. After a long wait, the first production T-7 was finally rolled out on April 28, 2022, marking a significant milestone for the U.S. Air Force. The T-7A Redhawk has been designed to be a perfect replacement for the aging fleet of the Air Education and Training Command. It is an advanced trainer aircraft that can simulate a range of complex combat scenarios, providing a realistic training experience. The aircraft has been designed to meet the latest requirements of the U.S. Air Force, and it boasts state-of-the-art technology that makes it a formidable training aircraft. With the T-7A Redhawk, pilots will be able to train in a realistic environment that replicates various combat scenarios. The aircraft is expected to be delivered to the Air Force soon, and it will undoubtedly reinforce the Air Force's capabilities. In February 2021, Saab Group started the series production of the T-7A aircraft, and within 2 months, they delivered the first aft section of the aircraft to the Boeing plant in St. Louis. The Swedish-made aft section was then spliced with the front one, along with the fins, wings, and tail assembly, by Boeing, who completed the aircraft for use in the Engineering and Manufacturing Development Flight Test Program. Saab's brand new facility will serve as the manufacturing hub for the aircraft subsystems, such as the hydraulics, fuel systems, and secondary power. However, what's most noteworthy is the software development for the model that Saab accomplished, which provides significantly cheaper and faster development. The digital engineering techniques used in the program, specifically model-based systems, engineering, and 3D tools, allowed the project to go from a computer screen to a maiden flight in just 36 months. With such an advanced and digitized production line, the T-7A requires only half an hour to splice the aft section with the wings. Additionally, the technicians can use minimum tooling and drilling during the assembly due to the digital build process. The design also allows for the addition of future missions, such as light attack or fighter roles. Boeing stated, The T-7A Redhawk was purpose-built to include provisions for growth, improve supportability, and innovate a maintenance-friendly design. Besides digital engineering, agile software development, and its open architecture emission system, will ensure more rapid and affordable aircraft development in the near future. The modern computer-driven manufacturing techniques serve as an enabler for the US Air Force's digital sensory series strategy, while also increasing the supply-based choices. Compared to traditional development programs, the T-7A had a 75% improvement in first-time engineering quality, an 80% reduction in assembly hours, and a 50% reduction in software development and verification time. The aircraft will now undergo several ground checks and taxi tests before the flight test phase in 2022, when it will fly to Edwards Air Force Base in California. The T-7A trainer aircraft is an innovative product that has broken the mold of traditional aircraft design. It was able to transition from concept to a complete product within a few years due to its modular design, which was explicitly developed with maintainers in mind. The aircraft's key features include a high wing, easy access doors, and quick release panels, all of which significantly improve repair times while also being affordable and reliable. One of the unique aspects of the T-7A is its highly immersive training and offloading skills, which are similar to those seen in 4th and 5th generation fighters. The aircraft also includes advanced fighter-like performance features, which make it an ideal platform for training pilots. To prepare students for flying the T-7A, the system includes ground-based training systems, or GBTS, which cover a full range of physical devices and instructional techniques. The T-7A's flexibility, modifiability, and adaptability to both people and software make it an ideal platform for future systems. Pilots can adjust the aircraft to their personal preferences, and the system can be applied to other missions. The trainer prepares better pilots in less time by adapting to changing technologies and learning methods, not to mention downloading more expensive training. The Redhawk, which is another aircraft in the T-7A family, requires provisions for growth to keep up with evolving missions in roles such as aggressor light attack or fighter. The aircraft's modern equipment provides advanced mission systems, including a glass touchscreen cockpit, stadium seating, and embedded training capability. Its digital approach and immersive techniques validated supportability issues, thereby innovating a maintenance-friendly design that increased availability and lowered costs. In addition, the T-7A's subsystem commonality with 4th and 5th generation fighters allows the use of existing infrastructure, further reducing lifecycle costs. Overall, the T-7A trainer aircraft is a significant advancement in aircraft design and training, providing a reliable, affordable, and immersive platform for training pilots. Boeing, the world-renowned aerospace company, is planning to sell around 3,000 Redhawks in the international market. The company is targeting potential customers beyond the US Air Force, with Australia and Serbia being among its top choices. Interestingly, the Royal Australian Air Force is currently in search of a replacement for its Hawk Mark 127 lead-in fighter trainers, which were initially ordered back in 1997. Serbia, on the other hand, is also looking into the Redhawk as a suitable option to modernize its trainer aircraft, as it wishes to replace its G4S and J22S. It is worth noting that Serbia's military neutrality policy with NATO will allow it to further explore US-made advanced weaponry, as well as its allies. What's even more fascinating is that Boeing is also planning to offer an armed variant of the Redhawk, which is intended to replace the declining Northrop F-5 and Dassault Dornier Alpha jet fleets. This move is expected to revolutionize the aviation industry by providing advanced technological capabilities to the armed forces worldwide. The first of 351 aircraft to be delivered to the US Air Force has already rolled off the production line at the Boeing Defense Space and Security Building at Lambert International Airport on April 28, 2022. This is a significant milestone for Boeing, as it marks the beginning of a new era of aviation, which will bring forth a new generation of heroes who will write the next chapters. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting stories from the skies of the world. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified of our newest videos. Stay tuned for more updates.